Hello guys, this is King Links here again guys. I just wanna say that now I'm very tired to always cover my face with my cap guys. I'm always cover my face with my cap, you see. Now I have to say that ne. I know that people will talk bad about my eye, you see. Mara, as I am saying now guys, I, I was not like this guys. You see. Something terrible did happen to me, you see. I was small, you see. And as I was playing with the other kids, you see, then one of that kids did take something and put it in my eye, you see. Mara, I know there will always be people who will talk bad about that and all of that stuff, you see. Parang kiri is my eye, man. Yeah, me, you see, it's mine, guys. So I'm just me, you see. I'm just King Links and I enjoy what I'm doing, you see. So for people who want to talk better and all of this stuff, you can talk, guys. And Kirimina, I'm then always beautiful. I'm just myself, you see. So people who will talk about it, you can talk, guys. I don't care. I'm just myself. And once again, thanks for the people who love King Links. I love you too, guys. And I appreciated your support, guys, like a lot. Guys, please follow me and I will follow back. Promise. Danko is thank you. You know most.